Hi, I'm Margie with 342 Mad, and today we're going to talk about where did your scheduled posts go? Yep, Facebook changed something up and we're going to investigate. It's not that it isn't there, it's just moved to a new place. So here we go, we're over on the left-hand side and you see where it says Publishing Tools. Go ahead and click on that. See where it says Scheduled. So this is where you would create your post, and you can just go to the up on the top right-hand corner. You can click Create Post and start your post. I'm adding a photo I created earlier, saying something nice with it. Give it a little hashtag, Valentine's Day, and hashtag Sarasota. And now I'm going to schedule it. So I'm going to click Schedule Post, and I want this to land on Valentine's Day. And I'm going to set it off earlier in the day. There we go. Click Schedule. Simple enough. Leave this page, stay on this page, it does not matter. So now you're over here and you're like, where? You're looking, it's like, where's my scheduled post? I click on it, it's not happening. Well, see, Facebook wants you to try their business suite. So you're gonna click on that. Published, it will land on automatically. And then there's the scheduled post. Here you go. Ta-da! So this is good to go. Hope that helps. Speaking of being a help, we have other ways to help you. We are 342 Mad. We can help your business grow. That's our business. We also have some handy free tutorials you can check out with our videos and how-to at 342mad.com.